Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, y'all already know, nail haul, but with a little bit of a twist. So last time I ordered from SheIn, I accidentally went just a little bit crazy and I purchased 77, yes girl, 77 packs of nails. Don't ask me what I was thinking, but they were super duper cheap. So we're gonna have part 1 and part 2 of this. Y'all, it's gonna seem like I'm just blah, 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 because I don't want these videos to be like 40 minutes long, because that will annoy me, you, and Nick. And I've filmed 3 videos already today, so I'm kind of wound up, so just kind of bear with me. Before I get into this video though, I do want to share with you guys 2 bras from my favorite bra company in the entire world, KNIX. So, BRB. Alright y'all, so if you have never tried KNIX Girlfriend, you are missing out. No, they're not paying me to say that. But they have some of the best and most comfortable bras. Now, baby, I can get you some sexy bras with some lift that really give the girls that perfect look. Check this video here. But if you want comfort, can be sexy depending on what bra you get. But if you want comfort and that lift that you haven't seen since the day you were born, then you got to check out KNIX. So let me share with you the one that I picked up. So first thing is first, I started out with the Luxe Lift pullover bra. Basically what it is kind of like the bra that I have on today, only this one is not KNIX, because if it was, your girls would be sitting up here where they're supposed to be. So shame on me. This one is the Luxe Lift pullover, and it says the Luxe Lift pullover is no pushover. This bra right here is going to have your girls sitting right. Like, I'm talking better lift than when you hit puberty, honey, okay? They're so soft. They last through so many washes. And the material that these bras are made with, they are made to conform to fit your body perfectly over the use of time. Like, every time you use it and wash it, it's just gonna fit your bust that much better. It'll be linked down below because you're gonna want to try it. So this one here is, I think, what is the color of this one? Pistachio, and with good reason. They have these beautiful colors like this. I've got leopard because they did a thing with Betsy Johnson, so that was really fun. I've got another one that's kind of like blue with like these really pretty flowers. Yeah, but I had to share these with you. I want to show you guys as well how well these stretch. Like, I mean, first of all, and then it's going to go right back to what it conformed to, because it gets used to being on your body, no joke. So if you've never tried a KNIX bra, you can get the bra home, try it out. If you don't love it, send it back. You get a full refund, no questions asked, guys. They're one of the best, I'm telling you. Tina, baby girl, if you're watching this video, please tell the girls down below how much you love your Luxe Lift pullover bra. Several of you have actually purchased them. I don't know if everybody's still watching me that did, but I know how much you guys love those bras, and I do too. So I've actually been with KNIX for a couple of years now. That's how much I love their bras. So anyways, this is the most comfortable, almost like t-shirt material, but the way that it holds in the, like if you have, we'll say, fat on the sides, it holds everything in really, really good. These are nice and stretchy. They're nice and sturdy. They've got padding in them that you can take out if you don't want that look. But I'm telling you, they give your bust this most sculpted, just beautiful look. Kind of like you had a boob job, but without all the drama and the extra money. So this is what I love this bra for, and it holds my girls in place. Like when I'm walking, they're not bouncing, hitting me all up in the face. You get the gist, girl. So then I wanted to try one of their other bras. So I opted for the Revolution bra, and it says this one was inspired by a KNIX customer, Kiara, who wanted an incredibly comfy bra with some actual support. And this one I picked up in a pink color. As you guys can see, the packaging for this one is a little bit bigger. than, where did you go? Than this one. And if you guys want to know my size is the XXXL. That's what I get my Luxe Lift pullover bra in. This one is in pink plum. And you guys can save some money off. I don't know if they still have the deal that I used to rave to you guys about, where you bought 2 bras, added 2 bras to the cart, and you get like 20% off or something like that. I'll link it below for you though. So I picked up this one, and I love this color. I love the shape. Oh my gosh, this is going to be super comfy. I love that kind of a plunge neckline almost. And one thing that I love about their bras, you guys, besides the stretchiness and the cut and the fact that it conforms to your body, is they're just so comfortable. I've never had one fall apart. You guys, they're just so comfortable to wear under, and yeah, so I love them. And so I want to shout out and thank KNIX for sending me these pretty bras, and for keeping my tatas comfortable and keeping them up where they're supposed to be. On to the video. All right, y'all, so this is what had happened. This is full to the bottom. Actually, it came in a much bigger box because I ordered some clothes too, Avi. But we're not going to get through this whole box today. I'm going to try my hardest to show you guys these in the best way possible. So let's do this. Just going to randomly grab them. So this one right here is a 48 piece. It is the Trendy Shape and Style Hand and Foot manicure combo. So you have the nails as well as the toenails. I know, I want to try them. And so that's what those look like. Really pretty with glitter. We have some that look almost magnetic. They are long length coffin, 24 pieces. We also have another long coffin pair that are like this lime green, but again, they look like velvety or magnetic. Super gorge. We have some purple butterfly long coffin. Guys, these are all different brands. I had actually had them all like separated by brand and stuff, but got another one here. This is also 24 pieces. Oh, before I forget, make sure you order glue. These do not come with glue. They come with the sticky stickers. And if you're wanting to keep them on long, they'll stay on, but you got to get you some glue, baby girl. I'll link my favorite glue down below. Got these toenails, which I thought were super gorge. Comment below if you've tried the toenails. I've never tried them. Again, long coffin glitter. These are kind of ombre, white and blue. These are red and pink, and they have like these little red jewels on them. Super pretty. All right, these ones are really pretty. They have like a pink bandana-esque kind of print, and then butterflies and stones as well. Guys, these will be in order as well. In the description box, they'll be in the exact order that I showed them to you in. So please don't get stressed out. It's all good. I got you, boo. These are really pretty French with some rhinestones. And please don't fear, I have something for everyone. I got mostly long, but I do have some short ones. These are pretty kind of pink, flowery bandana vibes with some bling bling. Ooh, we got some more pink with some pearls, kind of giving us Chanel vibes. And then they also have some with like a pink French tip, and then of course some more bling bling. Oh girl, these gonna hit for some of y'all. So these are the same as those, only they're like this light baby blue with some pearls, some rhinestones, and then you're gonna see here. I'm just gonna open this one and show y'all because you'll never believe me. They got a little poof poof on it, but I'm gonna take the poof poof off obviously because it's just not my vibe. Y'all, was they doing too much with the poof poof? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Kind of pink ombre French, two different pinks. This one has pink, bling bling, white and gold glitter. Got some white French with some bling bling. Got some white French with some glittery tips with a little bit of bling bling, and then some really pretty flowers. We've got white with red bling bling. Ooh, I got a short pair. So this is like a couple different colors with some leopard print. These are short. Really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, this is red. That's kind of like a mauvey pink, and then these are the different leopard prints. These remind me of like a beach style. I think these are medium length. Really gorge though. Long, very pink, very bling bling. These remind me of Barbie nails almost. Very pretty though. The other thing I got besides just press-on nails, you guys, was these little stands that you can use, and I will insert a picture here. And basically what it is, remember when I told you guys that I bought certain items at the Dollar Tree a long time ago to be able to decorate my own press-on nails? Well, joke's on me, they actually make them. So this is like it shows you in the picture, and you can just get like some double-sided tape or like some poster board stuff to put on the back of the artificial nail, and then put it on the little piece that y'all see it in the picture. Why you playing? No. And then you can decorate your nails and then let them dry and move on. And I just think those are so cool. So then some of these nails came in these little packages like this. These are like that magnetic style, actually like I'm wearing today. So let me show you my nails first. These are not SheIn nails. These are from Kiss. So I will link those down below as well. And then here's their version. It's like this really pretty taupe color. Gorgeous. I think they're called Cat Eye from them, if I'm not mistaken. These are kind of the same, but they're like a white ombre with purple. Stunning. Oh, these are fun. I think these are short or medium length. They're black with glitter. Don't know if the camera's picking up that glitter or not, you guys, but these are gorge. We've got some green kind of with a shift. I'm not gonna be able to show you the shift. I'll try to, but they're like glitter, but then they have a shift, like a blue shift. It's hard to show you guys on camera. Sorry. We've got some more green ones here with some bling, some glitter, and some four-leaf clovers. These are one of my faves that I picked up. I just thought these were so fun. Again, long length. We've got some bling and like some almost like graffiti type. Yeah, girl, don't play with me. Got some purple butterflies. Ooh, we got another short pair. So guys, bear with me because one of these fell out, but it kind of reminds me of like a blood, like vampire blood red. These are short length. And then they also have some accent nails that are kind of like marble-esque vibe. They looked really pretty on the model. The camera's not going to do them any justice. So just remember, if you want to see them up close and personal, they are linked below. These are fun. These are so fun. I hope the camera picks those up. So freaking pretty. Of course, we had to get some matte red, girl, like a orangey red for the summer. Got some pink with some daisy bling and some ombre, girl, yes. Got some silver with like rainbow glitter. These are short length. These are really, really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see those. It's so hard to show on camera. Ugh, they're so gorgeous. We got some pink glitter, and I actually got 2 of these. We got some old pink with like some marble and some more bling bling, girl. Love this pink. And then these are really fun too. These are like, you'll see. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna have to come back to the next video because I still got a ton more to show you. See you in part 2, boo.